Hey, Rainbow Mac.
Hey Yellow, how's it going?
Nothing much. Just looking where Pi is. And you look kinda pissed off. What's wrong?
It's computer. He trapped us in the building. He said that we have to make our own food, but he said no. He declined.
He probably didn't mean that. Even though he is the best host, he had trapped us in the building in the last episode.
I mean, that is true, but remember what happened to Broken Roadside? What if he traps us in the building again? What if he doesn't give us food? And what if he eliminates so many contestants and all? And what if...
Rainbow Mac, calm down. I know that's upsetting you, but didn't mean you have to freak out about it. You better start apologizing to Computer. If not, he'll kill you again. And us too.
Okay, I guess that cheers me up. Thanks, Yellowbow.
Hey, anytime. Hey, Yellowbow, come and check this out. Listen, I gotta go. If anything bad happens, I'm always in your side. Especially your bestie Mac logo.
Aw, I thought we almost won. Yeah, I mean, the car got stolen thanks to this idiot.
Excuse me, it wasn't my fault you stole the car. It was Petroframe's fault that we lost.
His fault? You're the one who stole the car.
Because someone else told me to steal the car, so stop blaming things onto me.
But that doesn't mean you have to steal. Anyways, 2 people voted you off.
I don't really care. Wait, where the fuck is the rest of my team? Error blocks? Traffic lights? Where did you go? What the fuck? Wait, where are we?
Whatever it is, just get me out of this place.
Well, if it wasn't the painting palm trees, you guys lost last time. We have a total of 14 votes. Thank you so much, viewers. With that out of the way, let's display the likes. Congrats, Mac Logo and Broken Roadside. You two get a prize. Your prize is this Oreo shake. If I call your name, you're safe. Mac Logo, Traffic Lights, Broken Roadside, and Error Box. You four are safe. My. And it looks like we're in the bottom 3. But first, let's go to the comments. What did they say? Picture frame. The viewers said that you're lame, you're crazy, you're dumb, and you're fat.
How could you say that?
Cloudy. The viewers said that you're dumb, you're annoying, you're a chicken, and you ultimately telling Fruit Punch what to do.
Because she keeps using her phone too much.
And Air Pump. The viewers said that you killed somebody in the last episode, and it's not good.
It's not my fault that Picture Frame is not doing the challenge. Listen to your voice, bitch. Grr.
Okay, no arguing. Anyways, Cloudy, you're safe. And now, let's show the votes. And it looks like Picture Frame is safe. And Air Pump, you have to go.
Viewers, you're not supposed to vote me out of the show. You're supposed to vote off that fat bitch out of here. He did nothing in the last episode. This is so fucking reasonable.
Hello, contestants. I hope you enjoyed the last challenge.
No, we didn't. It was bullshit.
You guys better get your tummy soon, because the new challenge is coming soon. What is it? The sixth challenge is to find a bed to sleep. Each team will find a bed to sleep in. Their team wins. The last team to sleep in the bed, you'll be up for elimination. Go! Let's do the confessionals first.
I seriously wonder if computer is getting out of this, honestly. Let's go to the dream world so we can get a hotel.
Damn it, we ran out of rooms. But look, there's a mirror over here. But first, we need to look closely. Hide inside the broken room. Don't worry, blue square. The demon is inside the other side of the glass. Phew, that was a relief. Quick, hide in this room.
Let's go inside.
Eventually,
I feel a raindrop coming. Aw, shit. I have been rained on too. Holy shit. When did that cloud come in?
well, I don't know. Let's use this pipe.
Now, would you look at that? Oh shit, there's the pipe. Oh god, the water is coming. Everyone, breathe!
I didn't do anything wrong. Let's go inside the bad room. Oh no, we're actually at the dead end. There's no way to escape. Oh god, this is really the end.
I think the pipe is about your phone.
It's not. Help me pull this pipe up, guys.
Oh my god, it's the palm trees. It's the grapefruits. What the fuck are you doing here? I'm trying to get some sleep.
You guys have finished all blankets.
And our pillows.
Get the fuck out of here.
What? You're the ones who talk. You literally put the pipe on Cloudy's car. I hate you. You guys will pay for this. Can you please stop fighting?
I'm actually gonna kill you. Okay then, katana. Sword. Stick.
All I get is this fucking stick.
Oh god, I killed my visitor. Oh my god, take the thing, save me.
I'm going to kill all of you.
We're supposed to sleep the most, not fighting and stuff.
Great, now our blankets has been stolen, and we're gonna lose this challenge. Oh, those fucking tits. Let's tell them scary stories about demons.
Once there was a demon called the Evil Monitor. He decided to eat all the contestants alive and put them in the boil of eggs. And then, when they turned
Fucking palm tree
the human
babies.
blood
So
turned
scared
to
of a spooky
after
monitor.
when the lights come out. And
It's good to see the demon again. And now...
That's funny. But why did he stop? Can't he come into the water? So that means we're actually available now.
I wonder how the contestants are doing. They're probably fine.
Oh god, Cody, what do we actually do?
Well, we have no escape.
I actually want to be listened to. Now everyone, listen. That is the best music I ever heard. And now, it's making us sleep. Good night, everyone.
Wow, and it looks like the painting palm trees won because of their best aesthetic music. But since the gentle grapefruits lost, they'll be up for elimination, and they'll be up all night.